Hello there. Now let's look at how to use a survey using the Survey123 app. Alright, I'm recording the screen of my iPhone here. So I got the app up here, Survey123. You start it up, and the first time you do it, you have to enter your credentials for ArcGIS Online, but mine are already saved. Second thing you need to do, you need to download the survey that you created on the Survey123 website down to your phone. So you click on your little icon in the upper right corner, download surveys, and then you have the selection of your surveys. And of course, we want to download this one, so we just hit the download. It downloads the survey to our phone. All right. Here it is, lower right corner, perfect. So let's complete the survey. Let's pretend that we are actually outside mapping potholes. I'm actually not outside, I'm sitting in my office, but let's just pretend we are. All right, here we go. Let's collect some data. All right. The survey is loaded. Again, date and time, populated with current date and current time by default. Let's make me the observer. We found this big pothole. Let's say it was 45 inches in diameter. It was 5 inches deep. The location is put in by your GPS. You can see I have a terrible accuracy right now because I'm actually indoors. But of course, if you were outside, the accuracy would be much better. You can change that, right? You can click on this. And then zoom in and out and move around to where the location actually is located. And then you take a photograph of the pothole. So here we go. I turned on the camera. And here's my camera. Here's the view out of my office window to my car. Take this photograph. The image is captured. And there it is, right? So now we get to the last one, comment. This is where you always want to record comments, important things that you've noticed, for which there might not be a field. And since I'm such a slow typer, I'm just putting some nonsense. There you go. And now you can hit the check mark. And now you can choose if you have an online connection. See, my device is online because I'm on the Wi-Fi in my house, or I'm on maybe you're on the cell network. You can click send now, and it's immediately, the data is immediately synced, if you will, uploaded to the website. But if you don't have a data collection, you can save it in the outbox and then do the sync when you find yourself back at a Wi-Fi, back in the cell phone signal or back with a Wi-Fi. I'm just going to click send now, and it's going to send the information to the website. All right, so there you go. This is how this works when using the Survey123 app.